Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many home cooks and professional chefs alike consider the best 12-inch cast iron frying pan on the market. The Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet with red silicone hot handle holder. Let's start with the basics. This pan isn't just any cast iron skillet. It's pre-seasoned, made in the USA, and comes from Lodge, a family-owned company that's been crafting cast iron cookware since 1896. That's over a century of experience poured into a product that's known for durability, performance, and versatility. Now, when we say this is the best pre-seasoned skillet out there, we mean it. And it starts with the material. It's seasoned using 100% natural vegetable oil, which means it has a natural non-stick surface right out of the box. And the more you cook with it, the better that seasoning gets. So if you're someone who loves low-maintenance cookware that improves with use, this is a perfect fit. One standout feature is the red silicone hot handle holder. If you've used cast iron before, you know that the handles get scorching hot. Lodge includes a silicone cover that provides a safe, comfortable grip, making it easier to move the skillet between stovetop, oven, or even a campfire. Plus, there's an additional assist handle on the opposite side to help with control, especially when it's fully loaded. Let's talk performance. Cast iron is renowned for its superior heat retention and even heating, and this skillet delivers on both fronts. Whether you're searing a steak, sautéing vegetables, baking cornbread, or frying eggs, you're going to get consistent results every single time. You can use it on any cooking surface, gas, electric, induction, even over an open flame, making it perfect for kitchen and outdoor cooking alike. A key benefit here is versatility. This isn't just a frying pan. It's a grill pan, a roasting dish, a baking tray, and a searing plate all rolled into one. You can start your dish on the stove, finish it in the oven, and serve it right from the skillet. It's that multifunctional. It's also ideal for campfire cooking, so if you love the outdoors, this skillet is a solid investment. Now, as for maintenance, yes, cast iron does require a bit of care, but Lodge makes it easy. Since it's pre-seasoned, you don't need to oil it before the first use. Just wash it by hand, dry it immediately, and occasionally rub it with a light coat of oil. Treat it right, and this skillet will literally last generations. One more thing to appreciate is the brand behind the product. Lodge is a company that values craftsmanship and sustainability. Their manufacturing process is designed to minimize waste and protect their workers and the environment. When you buy from Lodge, you're not just buying a skillet, you're investing in a legacy of quality and responsibility. To wrap it up, the Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet is a must-have. It's rugged, dependable, chemical-free, and crafted for serious cooking. With over 20,000 5-star ratings, a heritage that dates back over 100 years, and all the features you need, it's easy to see why it's the top choice for cast iron cookware lovers around the world. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to test next. See you in the next one.